What's going on everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at a quick headlight restoration done by my old man on the EV1 Honda Civic. Now I've done a video like this previously, I'll drop the link above. The previous headlight restoration that I did, I had the headlights off, which in my opinion made it a little bit more difficult because you had to sort of support the headlight and make sure that it wouldn't move and wiggle around as you're trying to get certain areas of the headlight. But I think it was a more thorough sort of clean and refurb to the headlights. I did it on the EK9 Honda Civic headlights. This one's been done on the EV1 as you'll see in a moment, and it's used with the simplest of methods, with the simplest of materials and tools. So I'll hand over to my dad now, who's going to show you what he's been able to do with the EV1.
While my bonnet's off, I'm going to have a go at cleaning up this very cloudy headlight. See how we go. I'm going to be using T-cut and a buffer, a cheap buffer. This is how we've finished up. As you can see, a bit of T-cut, a few minutes with the polisher, turns it from that into that. Best 5 minutes I've ever spent that. Time to do this one.
So I hope you liked that, I hope you found it informative. A very quick video, very short, very direct to the point, but you can see you can get very good results even by just using simple things like T-cut and an orbital polisher. So it worked out really well, it looks brilliant. The video doesn't really do it justice, it looks so much better in person, but yeah, really good, quick turnaround, especially if you've already got an orbital polisher and a bit of T-cut lying around. So if you liked the video, if you found it informative, if you got some value from it, then please give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.